Okay, folks, so what we're looking at today is we're looking at how we solve our multi-step variables on both sides equations. And so really we're going to start our notes off here with an acronym DC-MAD. We're going to teach you what it stands for here in just a sec. But really important, then we're thinking about solving an equation with variables on both sides, that we think about this phrase right here, DC mad. If you can remember that, it's going to really be to your advantage. So the first thing is the D. The D is similar to what we talked about yesterday. The D stands for distribute. So you'll want to distribute. Sometimes you can get around not doing that, but for now we want to distribute. That's the safest thing to do. So you're going to start out an equation by distributing if necessary. If there is no distribution, there's no distribution. Next, the C stands for, you should probably already know as well, combine those like terms. So this is similar to some of our steps from yesterday. Combine like terms. And then M, some of you are probably thinking multiplication. It is not multiplication. What's happening is we're talking about equations where you have variables on both sides of the equation. So what you need to do is the M stands for move. You're going to need to move that variable from one side to the other to get the variables on either the left side or to get the variables on either the right side of the equation, of that equal sign. Okay? So M stands for move the variable to one side. Now the A does stand for add, no tricks there. Add, but it's not just add all the time, it's add the opposite. So if you see addition, you're going to do the opposite. That's subtraction. If you see subtraction, you can do the opposite. That's addition. And then last but not least, you're going to either divide or multiply. So you divide if it's multiplication. You see multiplication, you divide, or you multiply if you see division. So those are our steps, DC math. So that's what we're going to use today to practice. We're going to do quite a bit of practice before we jump in. So let's go. D stands for distribute. So I'm going to write that off to the side here real quick. So if I distribute, that's right here. We're left with 5x minus 10. Rewrite the rest of the problem. Plus 4 equals 2x. Now, C stands for combine like terms. Which ones of these are like terms? Remember, you only stand on one side of the equal sign, not both, just one side. So combining like terms, my like terms on the left are negative 10 and positive 4. So if I combine those like terms, I'm looking at 5x minus 6. So minus 10 plus 4 is going to give you a negative 6. This still equals 2x. All right, now we're looking at the M. The M is move. So which one of these terms needs to move? This guy's obviously not moving. He's staying put because of the fact that he's already on his own. So who do you think? Does the 5x need to move or does the minus 6 need to move? So hopefully you're thinking, well, the 5x is a like term with that 2x. So let's move the 5x. So we're going to do that by subtracting the 5x over. Subtract that 5x over. Okay? And now from here, what we're going to do is this cancels out. So we're now left with negative 6 equals negative 3x. And then once you have that, our last piece is to divide by negative 3. So we're dividing by negative 3. That equals 2. So there we go. There's our answer, and that's our first one. So let's keep practicing.